Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any paint chips or any dents. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in perfect condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler looks perfect. Also, the back bumper is in good condition as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good, no scratches or dents here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup camera. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. That looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.